Hey everyone, if you just picked up a Turtle Beach Stealth 600 and want to use it with your Xbox Series X, the good news is there are no cables, dongles, or extra adapters needed. This headset connects wirelessly, using the same built-in technology as an Xbox controller. To get started, power on your Xbox Series X and let it fully boot. Next, turn on your Stealth 600 by holding the power button until the LED lights up, confirming the headset is on. Now put your Xbox into pairing mode by pressing the small pairing button on the console until the light starts blinking. Immediately after that, press and hold the connect button on the Stealth 600 until its LED begins flashing rapidly. Within a few seconds, the devices will sync automatically, the lights will turn solid, and you'll see a headset connected message on your screen. Once paired, head into Xbox settings under volume and audio output and set your headset format to Windows Sonic for headphones for the best surround sound experience. You can also fine-tune chat mixer and mic monitoring to balance game audio and voice chat. For best performance, keep your headset firmware updated using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software from Turtle Beach. If pairing fails, a full console shutdown followed by repairing usually fixes the issue.